Next topic is digestion of fat. What do you mean by fat? These are also called lipids. These are also called triglyceride. What is the meaning of triglyceride? That means one molecule of fat is made up of 3 molecules of fatty acids and 1 molecule of glycerol. That means digestion of fat is breakdown of triglyceride or breakdown of fat into 3 molecule of fatty acid and 1 molecule of glycerol. First we talk about the buccal cavity. In buccal cavity there is no digestion of fat. Then next food come to stomach. In stomach there is no digestion. Then next food come to small intestine. In the small intestine food receive the bile juice. This bile juice come from the bile duct. Bile duct is formed by the hepatic duct and the cystic duct. It contain the bile juice and bile juice contain bile salt and bile pigment. Bile salt are mainly sodium taurocholate and sodium glycolate. What is the function of bile salt? They break down the large fat molecule into small fat molecule. This process is called emulsification. This emulsification, what is the purpose of emulsification? When large fat molecule they are broken down into small fat molecule, their surface area get increased. When the surface area get increased, then the enzyme action become rapid. If we talk about the principle, this is very important question from the NEET point of view. The important lipase enzyme is the pancreatic lipase enzyme. First fat they undergo emulsification of fat. Then next is they with the help of pancreatic enzyme. This is pancreatic enzyme, that is the pancreatic lipase. Emulsified fat. Here we talking about the triglyceride. They get converted into 1 molecule of fatty acid and diglyceride. Diglyceride means 2 molecule of fatty acid plus 1 glycerol. Then they are acted upon further by the pancreatic lipase, get broken down into further 1 molecule of fatty acid and 1 molecule of monoglyceride. These monoglyceride are further acted upon by pancreatic lipase, get converted into 1 molecule of fatty acid and glycerol. This is about the digestion of fat. Next we talk about the nucleic acid. Will you take the nucleic acid in your diet? Yes. We are taking the cell. अगर हम प्लांट प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं या एनिमल प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं, दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेल एंड सेल इज़ हैविंग द न्यूक्लियस. और जो न्यूक्लियस है, न्यूक्लियस में न्यूक्लिक एसिड मिलेंगे. दीज आर ऑफ 2 टाइप, डीएनए एंड आरएनए. जैसे हमने बात की पॉलीसेकेराइड. पॉलीसेकेराइड इज़ अ टर्म दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द कार्बोहाइड्रेट. इसकी यूनिट क्या है? यूनिट में भी ग्लूकोज, फ्रक्टोज और ग्लैक्टोज. सेकेंड हम बात करते हैं प्रोटीन की. प्रोटीन की यूनिट क्या है? अमीनो एसिड. और फिर अगर हम बात करें फैट की यूनिट है फैटी एसिड एंड ग्लिसरॉल. हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डीएनए एंड आरएनए. द यूनिट ऑफ डीएनए एंड आरएनए आर न्यूक्लियोटाइड. दीज न्यूक्लियोटाइड they are made up of nucleoside plus phosphate. तो डीएनए को हम बोल सकते हैं पॉली डीऑक्सी राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड. डीएनए की फुल फॉर्म होती है डीऑक्सी राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड और डीएनए को हम बोल रहे हैं पॉली डीऑक्सी राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड. आरएनए को बोल रहे हैं राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड या फिर आरएनए को हम बोल सकते हैं पॉली राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड. कलेक्टिवली हम बात कर रहे हैं पॉली न्यूक्लियोटाइड. अगर हम डीऑक्सी या राइबो की बात करें, इसमें डिफरेंस है कि डीएनए में जो शुगर है, डी का मतलब होता है डीई का मतलब होता है रिमूवल, उसमें एक ऑक्सीजन कम है. पॉली न्यूक्लियोटाइड दे आर मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड यूनिट्स. Then what is the composition of these nucleotide? These nucleotide they are made up of nucleoside plus phosphate group. And you should remember that this phosphate group, it come from the phosphoric acid. फॉस्फोरिक एसिड से फॉस्फेट ग्रुप आ रहा है, इसलिए जो डीएनए आरएनए है दे आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. देन नेक्स्ट, what is the composition of nucleoside? Nucleoside is made up of nitrogen base plus sugar. What are these nitrogen base? They are of two types, purine and pyrimidine. What are these purine? Purine are of, these are double ring compound. They are of two types, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine are single ring compound. They are cytosine, thymine. If we talk about RNA, in the RNA, instead of thymine, uracil is present. If we talk about sugar, sugar is the pentose sugar that is made up of 5 carbon. These are C5H10O5. This is called ribose sugar. अगर हम बात करते हैं DNA में, in DNA sugar is deoxyribose, in which there is one oxygen atom get removed and the formula is C5H10O4. Then what is the meaning of digestion of DNA and RNA? The meaning of digestion of DNA and RNA is breakdown of these DNA and RNA into their constituent unit, that are nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate. Then first we talk about the enzyme which help in this breakdown. That is, first food come to the buccal cavity. In buccal cavity there is no enzyme for the digestion of nucleic acid. Second, food come to stomach. In the stomach there is no enzyme. Third, the food come to small intestine. In small intestine, food receive the juices from pancreas as well as from small intestine. Pancreas contain DNAs. DNA के साथ ASC लगा दें. DNAs and RNAs, which convert the DNA and RNA into deoxyribonucleotides. अब क्या है, जो DNA है वो पॉलीमर्स हैं, न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स के पॉलीमर्स सेपरेट हो गए हैं. अब नेक्स्ट, RNA आर द पॉलीमर ऑफ व्हाट, राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड. अब वो पॉलीमर सेपरेट हो गए हैं. नाउ द food come to acted upon by intestinal juice. Intestinal juice में है nucleotidases. Nucleotidases nucleotides पे काम करेंगे and they break down the nucleotides into nucleoside and phosphate group. Then nucleosidases act upon nucleosides and break down the nucleosides into nitrogen base plus sugar. That means ultimately there is complete digestion of DNA and RNA into small intestine and they get converted into their nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate. This is all about the digestion. In the next video we talk about the absorption.